Hey guys, so today we're going to be making this transforming ninja star out of 8 post notes or square sheets of paper and a little bit of patience. So let's get started. So to make the transforming ninja star, we need to make this unit, and then we have to make the same unit 8 times. These units will actually connect to each other, which will then create the transforming ninja star. So let me show you how to make a unit. So you're going to take any square sheets, pieces of paper. I just have Post-it notes lying around that are different colors, which would add contrast. So I do recommend using different colors. But I just had Post-it notes lying around, so I used them. All you really need is a square sheet of paper. It can be any type of paper. Although the thicker the paper, the harder it gets. Okay, so let's get started. So if you're using a Post-it note, make sure the sticky side's on the back right now. Right now, we're just going to go ahead and make a cross in the middle. So the way to do that is take one side. So right now I'm taking the right side and matching it up with the left side. Make sure the corners meet, as that is going to be very important when we start joining. And then give it a nice crease and unfold it. Now you're going to take the top and match it up with the bottom. Now you're going to unfold it and you have a cross. Now we're going to make an X. So you're going to take this corner, the top right corner, and match it with the bottom left. And give it a nice, good crease. And unfold it. And then you're going to take the top right corner and match it up with the bottom right corner. And you're going to want to give it a nice, good crease once again. Okay, and then you're going to open it. So now you have a cross and an X. So now you're going to flip it over and make sure the sticky side is on the top right here. Then you're going to take the top right corner and match it up into the center point. You should have been creating a center point by doing the plus, the cross, or the X. Okay, so now once you fold that down, see, the perk is with using a sticky note, it doesn't come back up. So that's a benefit. And then you're going to do the same thing to this side. Just fold it and make sure it meets in the center. And fold it like that. Now the next step is where it gets a little bit tricky. So you're going to want to take this and fold it inward, not outward. You're going to fold it inward. And give it a nice good crease down the center. Okay. So now it should be looking like this. So you're going to take your index finger and apply pressure on this point while keeping your thumb over here. Like that. That should help it do like this. Bend like that. And then the lines that we made right here, it should bend on those lines. And then all you're going to do is just crease on those lines right there. And same on the other side. And it should become like this. Now you're going to take this little triangle that we've created and fold it inward. So keep your index finger in the middle and apply pressure like that, and it's folded. Now it should look like this. So like that, make it like that. Perfect. Now that's one unit. And now you just have to make 7 more to make the transforming ninja star. Since I started off with 1 green one, I need to make 3 more green and 4 more blue. And there they are. Okay, so now here comes the tricky part. It's the joining. So move all of the others away and just keep 1 green and 1 blue. So you're going to want to put this nose, not these flaps, but the nose, inside of the green's 2 flaps. Not like the pockets, just the flaps. So I would open this and put the nose right there. And close it. So now these flaps sticking out on the end, these flaps need to go over here. So this is really easy. All you got to do is just bend those flaps and tuck them in. And just close that. And there's one part of the transforming ninja star. As you can see, it shifts just like it's supposed to in the real transforming ninja star. So now you're just going to start adding up. So you're going to take another green one and put its nose into this. Make sure the first green ones is like that. So you want to put this just in between of those two flaps. And same thing, just tuck these things in. Be sure to fold them carefully. And there you go. This one also works. So now you just got to repeat that process until you have all of them done. So, time-lapse mode. Okay, so now it's time for the last two. These are the most hardest. So right now I have the blue ending. So I'm just going to take a green one and put its nose between those two flaps and tuck these guys in. Okay, so as you can see, there's a little bit of overlap, and we really don't want that overlap. But remember, there's another piece that still has to go in. So you're going to want to just do the same thing. Put this right between those two and open that and tuck these two flaps in. Perfect. And that, you have all 8 pieces in, but this and this are overlapping, and you want this to be inside of this. So try not to break it. Carefully bring it over and in. And then you're going to do the same thing that we've been doing all this time, except there's already a piece in there. So you're going to want to be careful and open up these pockets and tuck it in. So for this one, since it's harder to tuck it in, I like to just pre-fold them a little. Yeah, just like that. And then you're just going to open that, and that makes the tucking in a lot more easier. You're going to do it on the other side too. So just make a little pre-fold. And if you're having any trouble with the tucking it in and the other steps, you can also pre-fold. And once you've tucked the last in, that's it. That's your transforming ninja star. So there you go. You have a transforming ninja star made out of just 8 post-it notes. That's all it takes, guys. 8 post-it notes or 8 square sheets of paper and a little bit of patience. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.